Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm back with another delicious grilling recipe, and this one is going to be so perfect for all of your summer veggies. I'm going to be making my grilled vegetables with a garlic and cilantro dressing, and I love everything about this side dish. It's just so colorful and zesty and tasty, and it goes so well with a lot of my other recipes as well. You could try this side dish with my grilled garlic lamb chops, my grilled ribeye steak, or even my grilled chimichurri chicken. I'm going to have all of those recipes and this one down in the video description box below, so make sure to check those out. You'll also love this recipe because you can substitute the veggies with whatever you have on hand. So today I'm going to be using some bell peppers, zucchinis, mushrooms, and a red onion, but feel free to add whatever veggies you would like. Let's get started and I'll show you just how easy this dish is to make. And I'm going to start this recipe off by prepping my veggies. So today I'm going to be using some red bell pepper. I also have a little bit of orange red bell pepper left over from a different recipe. And I have two varieties of zucchini. I have a green zucchini and a yellow zucchini, some baby portobello mushrooms, and a red onion. So you want to wash these, pat them dry, and then we'll slice them up. And let's get things started with the zucchini. So grab a knife and cut off the tips here. And I'm going to cut the zucchini in half. And that's it. Super, super easy. You don't want to cut the pieces too small. We're going to chop the veggies up a little bit later into smaller bits. For now, just slice them in half. And I'm going to do the same with my yellow zucchini. And then as I'm slicing these veggies, I'm going to put them back onto the pan so we can get them dressed and seasoned before they go onto the grill. And I'm going to section the bell pepper into larger pieces. I'm going to slice my baby portobello mushrooms in half. And then for the onion, we're going to cut it into thick rings. All right, I have my veggies all sliced up and ready to go, and now it's time to add the seasoning. So I'm going to grab some olive oil and I'm going to drizzle it over the zucchini, mushrooms, and bell peppers. This is going to help all the seasonings kind of stick to them better. They're also going to grill up nicely as well. So drizzle that over the top. And then I'm going to grab my salt mix and generally season all the veggies. Get a nice layer of seasoning on there. Next, I'm going to sprinkle on one of my favorite seasonings, smoked paprika. Sprinkle that over the top. It just adds so much incredible flavor. I know we're going to be grilling this, but it's just amazing. You guys are going to thank me later. A little bit of dried thyme, and feel free to add whatever kind of seasonings or spices you typically like on your grilled veggies. A bit of dried rosemary as well. And of course, some cracked black pepper. Add a generous amount of that as well on the top. All right, and now let's get to grilling these veggies. Now you can absolutely do this outside if you're grilling a lot of other things as well. Today I'm going to be using my stovetop grill, and I've preheated it. You want it to be really, really nice and hot, about 500 and 550 degrees Fahrenheit if you're using an outside grill. I'm going to start with my zucchini first. So drop them onto your hot grill. All right, let's turn the zucchini over. I typically grill the zucchini for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. You want it to get nicely charred. And if you're doing this outside, the advantage is that you could close the grill lid and it'll cook a little bit faster. So turn these over and grill them for the same amount of time on the other side. And then I typically grill the bell peppers, the red onion, and the mushrooms for the same amount of time, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Then you'll want to just turn the veggies as they start to char. And while those veggies are on the grill, it's the perfect time to prepare the garlic cilantro dressing. So I have a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any type of oil that you like. Drizzle that right in. And then we're going to add garlic, and lots of garlic. So I have like 8 garlic cloves here. You could add more or less to your liking, but I love the salad when it's really, really nice and zesty. Drop that in. And then I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. A little bit of salt. And then grab a spoon and stir this all together. This is going to be so, so delicious with those veggies. And my veggies are all grilled. They smell so, so good. They're gonna be so delicious. All we have to do is just chop them up and then add the dressing. And I love making these grilled veggies as I'm making like my main entree, like a grilled meat or some kebabs. Just toss these veggies in on the side of the grill, or you can even put them on the top rack of the grill and let them cook away while your main meat is also on the grill. All right, so let's get these chopped up. So I'm going to grab my zucchini first. I'm going to cut it into, I usually like to cut my veggies into like bite-sized pieces, so I'm actually going to leave the mushrooms whole and then cut the bell peppers and the zucchini. Let's chop these up. I love the char marks on these zucchini. It looks so, so delicious. Drop everything into a large mixing bowl. And I'm not going to chop these mushrooms any further. They're halved and they're the perfect size for this salad. And once you have all your veggies chopped, it's time to add that dressing. So just pour that right over. And we're going to grab 2 large spoons and toss it all together to make sure that all the veggies are coated. And my garlic grilled veggies are all done. They smell so, so incredible. They look so delicious as well. Don't forget to head on down into my video description box for the link that'll take you over to my website so you can print this recipe off and share it with all your family and friends. I'll also include all my recommended grilled meats down there as well. If you want to eat this with some grilled steak or some grilled lamb chops, time to dig in and enjoy. I'm gonna grab a little bit of zucchini and some bell pepper, a little bit of red onion. These grilled veggies are just so, so delicious. They're gonna blow your mind. So much incredible flavor going on here. First of all, they're super juicy and flavorful. I love the seasoning we added on there. The smoked paprika, the thyme, the rosemary, so, so delicious. But what really makes this dish extra special is that garlic and cilantro dressing. It is so amazing, and it's like really bright and zesty, really gives these vegetables a certain pop, and it's gonna go so, so well with some grilled steak or grilled lamb chop. You guys are going to love these grilled veggies. But don't forget to head on down into the video description box for the full recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy these grilled veggies at home all summer long.